may glitter, but saffron is glowing right now. Because right now, 1 kg of Kashmiri saffron is worth as much as 50 grams of gold. That's right, this delicate crimson thread is cashing in big time. Over the last 1 month, saffron prices in India have shot through the roof. From about 1.2 lakh per kg last month, rates have now jumped to 2.38 lakh rupees per kg, and in some cases sellers are quoting 4 to 5 lakh rupees a kg. That's not due to harvest issues or poor quality, but something far emotional, sentiment. The trigger, the recent terror attack in Pahalgam. Saffron farmers in Kashmir typically harvest just once in a year, which is in September and October, so most of the stock is already with the local growers and traders. But after the attack, the mood in the valley has changed. Uncertainty and insecurity has crept in. Many farmers are now holding on to their saffron stock, quoting much higher prices and only selling to the highest bidders available in the market. But zoom out a little bit and the story is even bigger. The global saffron market and the industry is worth over $600 million as of 2024. Of this, Iran alone contributes nearly 90% of the world's saffron supply. Kashmir's share is very tiny, less than 1% of the production, but even with that tiny share, Kashmiri saffron stands tall on the world stage. Why is that? Because it's the most expensive saffron in the world. And you might ask why? Because it's hand-picked from the fields of Pampore, grown in limited quantities and nurtured in Himalayan soil. Kashmiri saffron is known for its deep crimson hue, rich aroma and potent flavor. It also has higher level of crocine and pyrocrocine, the compounds responsible for its coloring aroma and taste. These are the traits that turn it from a spice into a luxury product. Now, in contrast, most of the saffron consumed in India, especially in mass market, food and wellness products, is imported from Iran and Afghanistan, where saffron is available in bulk and at much lower prices. But now, because of geopolitical tensions, tighter borders and disrupted supply chains have slowed down these imports. As a result, Kashmiri saffron has become the fallback and the focus of the Indian market. So demand is up, supply is tight, traders are holding stock. Prices are on fire. So yes, gold may glitter, but right now Kashmiri saffron is the real treasure. Make informed decisions with comprehensive analysis on the go.
Strengthen your portfolio with real-time market updates on the go. Create effective strategies with insightful expert opinions on the go.
Grow on the go with CNBC TV 18, now streaming live 24/7 on YouTube.
Well, thanks so much for tuning in to CNBC TV 18. Make sure you follow us and stay updated on all our social media platforms.